I knew it. The unboxing of them all. Let's get busy. Gang. All right, package came in the mail today, so this should be, I gotta go through this again. This is a big box. The way they wrapped it though, and I gotta go this way. Oh yeah, just to make another. Oh, I went straight through. Oh my God. Are you serious? This is big. What is this? Oh, bubble wrapping. Ah, the camera microphone. I guess this is dope. See it? Camera microphone, basically, you know, so I can talk. Nice and clear, you know? Nice and clear. Oh, wow. Now we're talking. Look at that. Look at that, the EOS M50. Holy, watch out, boy. I can't believe it got here. Holy shit. Need a thumbnail on this one. Look at this. That's actually pretty dope though. We gotta open this carefully though. There we go. I think that's the carefulest we can get it. Oh, the card's in here too, which is dope. Got the SD card. It's the black card. Oh, they gave me a Canon strap. That's dope. I think it's for the camera around your neck or something like that. I don't know. That'd be dope. I'm guessing this is the battery. Yeah, this has to be the battery. I wonder how you charge them. My first time having a camera, so. Oh, I'm guessing this is how you charge it. You put the battery in it and you plug it straight in. So you plug it in. That's the, yeah. This is this the lens. Yeah, this is the lens. Now for the big boy. Oh, the camera too. Look at this. This is actually insane. The camera. Oh, okay. That's dope. And then we have the camera going good. We got everything we need, so yeah, that was pretty much it. It's fine. I like this though. It's dope. Did enjoy the unboxing vlog. Make sure you guys tweet me at LifeOfDwhit. Follow me on Instagram at LifeOfDwhit. My Snapchat too with 2 T's. Don't forget that. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog, which will be tomorrow, I think. But I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.